Okay, back at the camper. They're all routed out. That's my bolt holes, no big deal. Nice, clean. Just gotta finish doing the exterior sanding, which will remove those small little lines where I moved a bit. Flush all these up. Get rid of the liquid nails. Make sure it's all flush. Rounded corners. Looks cleaner. Be better when it's sanded. But all the way up, I did not do the top two sections. That's where the little fin is going to come off the back about 5 inches. 4 actually, because the ladder only gives 5 inches leeway. So I'll have that coming off the back right there, all the way across 4 inches. And again, all these are routed. I just finished doing all this. Nice and rounded, clean. Needs to be sanded though. Sorry, sawdust. All they're clean and rounded. Then I'm gonna finish sanding, re-sand it. Right there, sand this flush. Actually, I'll be changing the angle just a tad bit, and I'll be taking it up a little bit more. I don't know if the Luan board will bend this much once I tack it here or back here. I'm gonna have to put another crossbar in there. All the ones on top are done. The first 4 anyway, that's all I could reach. Those look cleaner. It's a few pounds lighter. And that is everywhere for 30 foot, well, 20 foot all the way around. And tanks, as you know, tanks underneath there. I'll start on these other shelves in a moment and cleaning all these little crossbars over. Little crossbars, cleaning those up. Making sure they're level with the floor in the cabinet. Or storage area, beg your pardon. But all the way around the windows. The window I gotta change a little. I'm gonna have to route it down. Or remove this piece because the window's on 1.5. And I did order all 2-inch windows. So now I gotta measure this and change it. Route it up under the bunk. Routed those down so I can start sanding it and form it the way I need to. This is a little cleaner on this side. I've already sanded this. May not look like it, but it ripped part of my belt off, so now I'm dealing with like 3/4 of a belt. But to about right here, all the way down, it's cleaner. And up here. Windows are in, those are routed, they're rounded. And this is not a perfect route job, it's just taking the corners off so I can sand them easier instead of rounding them over with a sander. And again, the back window, right door, or the door, because I got to put a new brace up on top, or another brace up on top. Depends on how high I come up off the floor for the door and the first step. I don't know yet. I haven't went over that with the floor. Or taken the floor all the way to the door and measured it and see how much the first step will be. But the steps will be going around to the tank and that little shelf that I have. But that's it. It's third, fourth week. It's about 2:30, I guess, in the afternoon. Maybe 3. And all the edges on the outside are not routed, just all the inside. And again, like I said, the top center board up there is my guide for the window to the back. I'm going to finish rounding that off, sand it more towards where I want it, and the top as well towards round. And that's it. Like, subscribe if you like watching these. Leave a comment, question, or anything else you may need. And thanks. Have a good day.